Hello everyone, so next part of our video is the battery compartment, which is this one, and we need these three screws, 3 by 38. I think two 3 by 38 and then 3 by 45, and then we will be mounting them on the sides with these two. And this we're not going to be installing. This is the roller here that's supposed to be here. Which we will not be installing. It's highly recommended not to use it by the RCMCHK folks, since this will just cause the bike to crash when the front wheel hits this one. Instead of it just protecting the body, it will cause the entire motorcycle to crash. So it's better not to use this at all, so we're eliminating that. Another mod that we need to do is to remove this rear part of the battery tray. This is to avoid it hitting, or to avoid the rear tires hitting it. There's a possibility that it would hit the rear tire, so we're gonna go ahead and trim it, and that is what I'm marking now. Okay, and here it is now. We're done cutting it or trimming it. Another mod that we need to do is to trim these two up front, and we're going to be using our all-purpose knife to make life easier. Alright, and let's go ahead and cut the other one as well. And it's time to assemble them. Alright, here's the main chassis, main body. So we're gonna attach that from the bottom like this. Here I used the 3 by 45 screw, and then we'll be putting the 3mm nut on this side. Then we lock them up. Next, we use the 3 by 38 on the rear, on this side. Just be careful with the chain. And the 3mm nut again on the other side. And we go ahead and lock them up. And just want to add that we attached this one using the 338mm screw. I failed to video it earlier, but you just simply put them together, and then you lock them with the 3 by 38 screw, which was provided. And this is how it looks like now, since we cut the protruding part that was supposed to be for the roller that we're not going to use. So the goal here with this mod is to make this front side as flat as possible, so the front wheel won't be hitting anything even at its maximum compression. So even the shock is fully compressed, it won't be hitting anything. Same goes with the rear. Reason why we trimmed this part down. the battery tray, so there's no chance for the tires to hit them and make the motorcycle crash. Right, up next we need to trim this down as well. Again, this is to ensure that the front tire won't be hitting anything even at full compression. So this is the initial one. We'll be trimming it more, and we're using our multi-purpose knife again. All right, and let's work on the other side. So we're done, and this is the final result. And this is what we removed. So basically this will just be attached here by a zip tie, and I might still trim it a little bit as per need basis, but that's how it's gonna look like. I will be attaching this once the bike is fully built, because we might need some more adjustments, but this is how it's gonna look like. And if you look at the sides, it's pretty close already to the main frame. But again, once this is fully built, I might need to trim it more depending on the front wheel. So we'll be completing that build first, the front shocks and wheels, before we install this one. All right, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Please do make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, follow me to complete this entire series. I appreciate all of you. Have a good day.